Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video we are at the Sinquerim fort and I will be showing you around. So if at all you are new to this channel, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and also support us by subscribing, and this will help our channel grow because I keep releasing videos on a regular basis with regards to updates about Goa and things that you should be doing and things like that. So let's go and I'll just show you around as to what are the crowds like and things like that. Let's go. So it is around 6 o'clock in the evening, and this is the vibe around. If you can see in the distance, there's so much of a crowd. So I will be taking you there in a while. The view here is absolutely gorgeous. Check this out. Wow. The tides are really rough at this point in time. And as many of you keep asking continuously on the comment section as to whether or not are people allowed to take a dip in the ocean, whether you actually can swim and things, stuff like that. Well, the answer is no at this point in time, because of the high tides. Everything is shut. So you are allowed to go by the beach, but you're not allowed to actually take a dip. Wow, check this out. And check out the crowd. There are so many people here. It is a Saturday evening, and as expected, I mean, most of the tourism places will be crowded as normal. So while I actually walk towards the very end that side, right, so I'd like to give you a little information about this fort. So this is actually located right at the end, right? So this is right after the Candolim beach, and you have some amazing properties around, such as Taj and all of this, which is situated right next to this fort. And a little bit of history about this fort is that this was built actually in the 16th century by the Portuguese. Let me just go down and see what it looks like. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. The view here is stunning. Seems like everyone's having an amazing time at the beach. So let's go a little further and continuing with the history of this place. So this fort was actually built by the Portuguese to stop any sort of invasion from the Dutch and the Marathas at that point in time. So here they used to actually dock all of their ships, their battleships and everything. I mean, if you are someone who enjoys history and historical places, then this is like a must visit. Check out the crowd here. Wow, so much of a crowd. The view here is absolutely scenic. I mean, this is so beautiful. So this is the property that I was talking about, which is Taj. They have a beautiful property, and maybe one of these days when we plan to stay there, I'll probably show you around inside as well. as to what does it look like and things like that. So this way actually here that you can see is an amazing walkway. So I'll be going there and I'll show you what it looks like. The monsoon season has just stopped. I mean, we're hardly seeing any sort of rains. And I think that is the best part now, if at all you're planning for a vacation, because it hardly rains. And even if it does, it just maybe drizzles for a while and then stops. And because of the monsoon season that just got over, the greenery here is amazing. I mean, the weather is so pleasant as well. So this is the trek, and you can actually walk all the way till the end there. Wow. Check out the sky. It looks kind of cloudy, but I don't think it's going to rain. I hope it doesn't, because that's going to spoil my video and also most of the plans that we have, you know, for tonight. Wow, check this out. This is so gorgeous. And check out the color of the sand. So let's go further ahead. So with regards to you actually planning to drive from any of the surrounding states like Karnataka or Mumbai, then you probably may have to watch out for the roads, because some of the road conditions are not all that great. So I would suggest that you do your research before you actually, you know, plan for a drive. And the other commonly asked question is whether or not are the casinos open. Well, at this point in time, the casinos are shut, and it will remain to be shut until further notice. I think we're expecting it to resume, you know, to public probably by next month. But until then, it is shut. So we have some people actually coming from that side. Wow, this view is just so gorgeous. City. Wow. So this is like an uphill, slight uphill trek. I mean, it's a pretty easy trek, even kids can do it, and it's not very complicated or very tough. Wow, let me just show you guys the view from here. Wow. This is so gorgeous. I mean, I can just sit here all day, do nothing, and just watch this. And one thing that I personally love is the greenery all around. Because of the monsoon, everything looks so beautifully green. So this is right at the end. You can actually do a little more trek and, you know, maybe go on top as well, and I will take you there some other day. You have a beautiful view from top. But for today, I'm not wearing my trekking shoes, so I'm giving that a skip. Stay tuned for my other videos, because I will be doing that shortly. And in my next video as well, I will be, you know, showing you accommodation options as to what are the budgets and how much would it cost. I am sorry, I'm running out of breath. Wow. Check this out. Wow. This is so gorgeous. And I'm sure the view from up there is going to be even more gorgeous. Wow, this is just breathtaking. Well, I thoroughly enjoy this trek and the beauty. I mean, this greenery and the view that you get to see here is absolutely amazing. Well, so if you haven't checked out my previous videos with regards to the updates from Baga and also a lot of other fun stuff that I keep doing, I would recommend that you go ahead and check them out, and also do subscribe to the channel if you're new and if you're here for the first time. And I will be bringing you lots and lots of such videos, giving you regular updates and also updates on when you can plan for your next vacation to Goa. So see you until then, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.